So this is the Visa Signature Freedom card from Chase. This is actually one of my favorite cards. This is given to people. They offer this for excellent credit. So you only get this card if you have absolutely excellent credit, which, you know, they allow you to even check online to make sure you have that credit. It's a great thing. It's a pretty great card. I've used it. I think I had a $2,000 balance on it, and, you know, I definitely used it. I overused it. I used it as much as possible for purchases. This is definitely one of my favorite cards. You know, it gets pretty high reviews. I found out about it through just Chase. I guess I had another credit card from Chase, and they had sent some mail in regards to this credit card, and, you know, I was very happy to see that, you know, to see this card. I mean, for the extra, you know, for having such a great credit score, I'm glad that I got something like this. And it was through online that I found out about it first. They had sent me some emails or some reminders that, you know, they were offering this credit card, so I decided to purchase it. So I guess some of the things that they offer cash back for every purchases. So you can earn 5% cash back on up to $1,500 in combined purchases. Bonus categories each quarter you activate, and then there's an unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases, which is pretty good. I mean, 5% cash back, you know, groceries, gas station, things like that. It really can't be beat. They offer a $0 annual fee, which is pretty good. You know, you don't have to pay like a fee every year to use this card. So they also offer a $150 cash bonus after you spend $500 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. Something I didn't like that it was 3 months. I wish they had made it a little bit less, like, you know, 2 months, maybe even 1 month, because, you know, I did have excellent credit, and, you know, I had used Chase before, so I was kind of curious why they had done that, and I kind of really wanted, you know, to get more incentives out of this card. They do offer a 0% APR, intro APR for 15 months from account opening on purchases and balance transfers. After that, it's a 17.24% to 25.99% variable APR. And that kind of, you know, I don't know, it's not the best thing, but, you know, I thought it was a pretty good incentive to have that too. You know, I guess just some of the other things, they offer some penalty fees. So that's one thing I very disliked about this card, is they offer penalty fees. Some of these fees include late payment, so that's up to $38 in late payment fee. Another good thing is they don't offer an over the credit limit fee, a penalty fee. But they do offer a return payment of up to $38, and then to return checks, they don't offer a fee. So that's pretty nice. Cash advances, you can get $10 or 5% of the amount of each transaction, whichever is greater. So, you know, those are just like little things, and there's no minimum interest charge, which is kind of one of my favorite things. They don't charge a minimum interest, so it's really nice. This design, it was one of my favorite. I kind of like the blue, with, you know, just like the normal design. It has like a bit of, you know, like a neon kind of cool classic look to it, which I really like. All the other ones are kind of similar. They do offer like different designs, different colors, which is kind of nice. And you can custom design if you like. And then I guess the customer service is really nice. Everybody's, you know, super kind. I guess I called in. The one problem I had was I wanted to increase my credit limit. So I had it at I think 1,000 when I started off, and I wanted to increase it to 2,000. So I called them and asked them to do that. And, you know, with my excellent credit score, I think they have their own like credit score system. You know, you could check. They can go online and check what the credit score is. So they kind of went in and, you know, just checked what my credit score was. They did a whole report and tried to find out exactly if I'd be eligible for this, and it turns out I was. And, you know, it was a very easy process. It took almost like less than maybe 15 minutes to increase my credit score from 1,000 to 2,000. And, you know, I was able to spend it the next day. I bought like a big screen TV, I guess, the next day. So it was more of an appliance purchase, but, you know, I surely did receive cash back for that purchase. I think it was 5%. And, you know, the cash back, it just keeps piling up, and you make more money for every purchase you get. I hope this helps. Thank you so much.